It's your girl Donnell. In today's video, what are we gonna be talking about? You all know it. We're gonna be talking about collagen. Yes. So how much is the right amount of dosage for collagen you need and for what your goal may be? Stay watching, I will be right back.
I've been pushing work all summer.
If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap that bell so you don't miss out on videos every time I upload. You know that collagen is all over the market and it's known as that, the fountain of youth, right? And it's good for our hair, our nails, our skin, our joints, our bones, our teeth, our gut, our liver. I can go on and on, but you guys know collagen is good for all types of things. Now that you know that, what is the correct amount of dose you should take for your needs or your goals? So that's where it gets a little tricky. We all want to take collagen, but we just don't know how much is essential. Number one, if you're looking for skin health, if you're looking to have, get rid of those wrinkles, fine lines, you're probably thinking, how much will I need to take? Correct dosage will be 1 scoop, and 1 scoop is going to equate to 11 grams of collagen. That's exactly what you're gonna need. And sometimes our collagen will come with the scoops, and I've been trying different brands like this one right here, the RX Select. It did not come with a scoop. So when you're purchasing collagen and it does not have the scoop that goes along with it, it gets a little tricky. If you're looking for your collagen to help with cellulite, the correct dosage for that will be also 1 scoop, and that will equate once again to 11 grams. So if you're looking to smooth out that skin and work with skin elasticity, definitely 11 grams is what you're gonna go for. Now we all know that collagen is a protein. That's all it really is. So if you're looking for muscles and you're trying to increase more muscles and that's why you're taking collagen, you're gonna go for a little bit more. So you're looking for 1.5 scoops at that point in time, and that's gonna equate to 15 grams of collagen. I highly recommend you get a food scale. That way you can measure your grams of collagen. As we get older, we are way more concerned with bone density. So if you're working with your collagen and you're looking to have, build that bone density and bone health, I would highly recommend 1 scoop, and that equates to, once again, 11 grams of collagen. Guys, with everything and every time you try something new, a new supplement, always talk with your doctor, check out and find out if this is the right thing for you. Guys, don't forget to share this video with a friend or two and leave a comment below letting me know how much collagen you take in one day. And guys, remember, life is totally what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Until next time, ciao.